Hi, I'm Finn. I'm 29 years old and I'm currently a student at 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀 Berlin, where I'm doing the very last project of the curriculum. I went through the standard German education system, which means I did my Abitur, and then I decided to study psychology because at that time that was my passion. But while I was studying psychology, I started this online programming course, and it was so much fun that I realized that I would like to follow up that passion. After I finished my bachelor's, I went on to start computer science. So even though I liked the university and the courses, while I was doing it, I realized that I was more interested in the coding and software engineering aspects of my computer science curriculum. And at some point, it just felt like I wasn't going forward anymore. The feeling that I really want to build stuff started creeping up more and more and more. I did the online test for the Piscine, and I said to myself, if I pass this test, I can pause my education in university and actually pursue my interest and my passion to build things and to get better at programming. While I had an edge if it came to C programming during the Piscine, I also noticed that I was lacking very important soft skills, and that became very apparent, specifically when I started to explain things to people, because that was when I realized that in a lot of cases, I didn't fully understand the topic, so it challenged me to always go back, revise it, and then explain it again. I think the university experience really gives you the abilities to think abstractly in a very general sense, which is beneficial for problem solving on the whole. But 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀 gives you, I think, more practical skills and more domain-specific skills in programming, and it really teaches you the whole software engineering cycle. The most important thing to me, at least, is that you really have to learn, and you are really going to learn to do projects with people together and not on your own. Because in university, you of course do a few group projects, right? But it's never to the extent compared to the projects at 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀 Berlin, because they are greater in scope and they go on for much longer, which means that you really have to tune in to the other person, or in general your teammates, so you can create a great product in the end. If it comes to 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀, I think it provides great software engineering skills, and the peer-to-peer methodology enables you to go to anybody, ask any question you want without feeling ashamed. And what's even more important, you learn to solve problems with a variety of people together, which you will have to do in your job later on as well. The peer-to-peer methodology at 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀 taught me a lot of things. First and foremost, it gave me the ability to work effectively in a team, and I had to learn that I sometimes have to give my ego the back seat, because in the end it's about what's best for the project, and that means that what you want or what you think is right is not always the best thing for the project, and that you should make what's best for the project your main priority. I also learned to work with people from a lot of different cultures, which is going to become more and more important because the workplace is going to get more globalized, not less. Also, it's a great experience to meet so many people and learn with and from them. And it really allowed me to broaden my horizons. Even though that sounds very corny, it's actually true. At 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀, I felt that there was a culture that allowed me to just ask the questions without feeling ashamed. And then I learned that these questions actually really filled gaps in my understanding and made me very happy at the end of the day to have them answered. I think a traditional computer science education can be great for a person who just loves the theory behind the small details of how computers work. However, if you're like me and you love building things and really want to enhance your programming skills, while at the same time being part of a really supportive and close community, then I suggest you give 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀 a go.